get some tire poking out, a little bit of camber. It's probably like the best, maybe 4 or 5K I've ever spent. What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. I'm excited to be back. This time I was able to actually get some stuff done to the Z before I pulled it out. I have been enjoying it for the past couple of days, just off camera, having some fun. And before I reveal it to you guys, I'm actually headed to the car wash though, because it is pretty dirty right now. It just rained the past couple of days. And I think some stuff from a tree came on it, like some sap or some leaves or whatever. So you guys will see a quick before and after. Nonetheless, on the way there, I can hit you with some POV. We're just pulling in here to Classic Express Car Wash. They got the touchless stuff here, so that's what we're gonna do. And I got all my cleaning supplies here to help me finish it up. But yeah, we'll be talking soon here. All right, we're back. We just finished washing the car. Yeah, first I hit it with the pre-soak, then I hit it with the high pressure soap, then I rinsed it, and then we finished it with the spot-free rinse. So I soaked it up pretty good here in the end. You can see I already took care of the XRP logo. I'm gonna take care of these soon. These actually aren't really that bad though. But nonetheless, really what I did is I took care of the brakes. I painted them wave blue off of the Corvette ZR1. It's paint code 482P for those of you who are curious. Got the Nismo stem caps that actually ended up working out perfectly with the color tone. And then I had the wheels refinished to get rid of all of the curb rash, and they are powder coated in chrome. And you can tell maybe my fitment looks a little nicer. I do have Swift Spec R springs. So in the front, it's barely 2 fingers. And then I got 15mm spacers up in the front, versus in the back I got 20mm spacers back here, and you could barely fit a finger under here. I got 285 35s I believe back here, and I got 245 35s in the front I believe. It's hard to tell. When I hit them with the tire shine and clean up the wheels when they're not being wet, I'll take care of that. But that's what she looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and dry her off, and we'll take her into the sunlight and I'll get you guys some better angles of it. All right, so let's take a look real quick. I just dried it. I'm gonna have to hand dry it. Holy cow. I hope you guys can see that. She's got some fat tires on that thing. Oh yeah, we're gonna have to definitely dry it a little bit more, but yeah. Now you guys can see the color a bit more, maybe back here. Oh yeah, look at that. Dude, it sits good, guys. Look at this. Get some tire poking out, a little bit of camber. I think it's 3% back here. I have the sheet at home, I forgot it. Sorry if it's a little loud. I do have the medium mod on, like I said. So it is a directional mic. I wonder if it's messing up with the wind over here. I guess we'll see, since I get to use it more this year, right? But yeah, let's just touch it up real quick. And we'll go about the day. I'm gonna talk to you guys a little bit more about my plans for like these stickers, of course. I'm gonna have my friend help me out again, of course, with cutting them up. You guys know Rimbo. So of course I do want to bring back like the pinstripes and some other creative ideas and stuff, but let me go ahead and get this thing cleaned up. All right, we just got done cleaning up the whole car. I'm about to take you guys out to a quick spot just to take a look around, walk around the car again during the daylight, because it looks really, really good right now. I hit it with a tire shine. I cleaned the entire wheel, the windows, everything. It's spotless right now. I can't wait to show you. All right, everybody, here she is all cleaned up. Get a really good idea of how that fitment looks like now. And yeah, dude, these wheels came out really good with the brake color and everything. So simple, yet so effective. It's probably like the best, maybe 4 or 5K I've ever spent on this car. I mean, besides the full exhaust and the tune and everything, obviously. But I mean, this thing, it just sits so much better now. It handles amazing. There's like no body roll. It doesn't even feel like you're pushing this thing at all, which is a little scary sometimes, because I don't know how much you could really push this thing, and I don't really want to test those limits, you know? I just want to stay safe, have fun. Man, I just can't get over it. I just can't wait to do these stickers already. I already bought 2 different colors to take care of this, a couple of these side ones. Like I said, I do want to do the pinstripes again. I kind of want to creatively put some blue, maybe even like a strip here. I don't know, I definitely want to add them back to the diffuser down here again. That was really, really cool. The O on the Nismo. I'll put an XRP logo again, of course, but I gotta buff that out. I gotta see if I can get that out with wiping it down, or if I have to actually buff it. Luckily, these came off, or will come off pretty easy. since that one came off just fine. It's the same material, but now it's on the window. So either scraping it or peeling it, we'll figure it out. I just didn't want to tackle that right now until I get them done. I also don't really have the scraper right now, so cut my nails, it ain't gonna really work out right now, basically. But yeah, I mean, that's kind of it for part 1 of the video. I'll probably give you guys a little more POV on the way back. I'm gonna go get some food. But yeah, once I hang out with Rimbo again, we'll get that stuff taken care of. We'll hit all the meets, we'll do all that fun stuff. He said we got a photo shoot on Sunday, so we'll check out that. Dude, sounds so good. Oh yeah, dude, this thing's been a process. I forgot to tell you, when I got it back, the battery was giving me issues, so it died, and I've been using a jumper pack, which those are 10 out of 10 clutch. Super recommend them. From fully dead, as long as everything else is working fine, it's more of just a battery thing, like you keep your car in storage or whatever, it'll start like right away, no issues. So I had to buy a new battery as well, but now everything's fine. There's really no issues I've had with it besides one bad battery, which was, like I said, probably just from storage, and a broken axle when I was drag racing. You guys remember that clip? I can go ahead and drop it right here when I was doing that track day. To the video down below. But yeah, outside of that, no complaints. I mean, really everything I've thrown money at for this thing has been all just for fun. You guys have been there, hopefully, from my 350 days. OG subscribers, I appreciate you. But a lot of that was like putting money into fixes and repairs and like doing comebacks out of those upsets. But this one, just from stock to full bolt-on tune to now the wheels, tires, suspension. You guys are probably wondering what's next up on the list and everything. I mean, I do intend to wrap it, of course, someday. That's gonna be very fun. I have a couple ideas. Maybe I'll just do all of them, you know, a couple years at a time. And you know, I'd love to go boost someday, but I really do enjoy the NA power. It's very, very fun as is, and it's very reliable, so no complaints. You know, not the fastest thing in the world, but this thing wasn't meant to be fast in a straight line. It's great around the turns. It's a very driver focused car, you know, so it can be fast in a straight line. It is pretty fast in a straight line. Depends what's fast to you for what it is, I guess, right? For an all-motor V6 though, it ain't really that bad. I mean, people are getting these all-motor V6s in the, what do you call it, the 10s now, like my MEZ Performance. I think he's in the high 10s, and I think another guy's doing it in like a DE, so which that's blowing my mind. I don't remember his name, but if I do, I could probably put it in the description below. But yeah, like I said, I think we'll just tie up the video here with some POV shots, and we'll see what I could do. Maybe shoot some flames, give you a couple holes in this thing. Very, very fun. I got plenty of traction with these tires. Look at the meat on there. Like I said, I was gonna show you guys the specs. There you go, 285, 35 on the front, or the back, I'm sorry. Where are they at up here? Let me try the other side. Where are you? Oh, there you go, 245 40s up here actually. Nice, good, I got a nicer sidewall up here. Looks good, guys. The handle's great. Like I said, the Z1 spacers with these Swift springs really did the Nismo right. I love these OEM wheels too. I had to refinish them. I really don't know what I'd replace them with. I have ideas, but I kind of just want to keep them, guys. It looks great like this. Let's cut to the POV. It's been a little bit of talking. I know you guys like the POV. I like the POV. Using the GoPro 8 this time, so let's check it out. Hey, another Z.